So we're coming up to the end of winter. It's now about, it's the 10th of September. Not about, it is the 10th of September. So it's the 10th of September and I've got two guys here helping us trim the trees because the entire winter months, the last 3 or 4 months, winter's now ending, it's been awfully shady and kind of chilly because there's so much shade. So the first order of business for them is to trim some of the trees so we get some more sun during the winter months, but at the same time not to kill the shade because it's very important to have these trees in the summer months when it gets very hot around here. So we're trying to strike a balance here by trimming the trees so we get a little bit more light, and also to reduce the number of jackfruits that are up there, because when they fall, they do some damage to these plastic tiles, roof tiles. For example, last year, we ended up having to change 18 of these tiles because they were damaged and broken as a result of falling jackfruits. And jackfruits are very heavy. They're bigger than the size of my head and heavy. So when they fall from up there, they cause some damage. So that's the project for today. So because we live in a fishing village, these guys are all born and raised here. They know exactly what to do and how to trim and what not to touch and what processes to use, as you can see. There are definitely benefits of living here. So the process works as follows. They've got a long cord. The guy up in the tree ties one end of the cord around the branch that he's about to cut, and the guy on the ground holds the cord so that after it's cut, the branch, it doesn't fall on the ceiling of the atelier. They actually gradually lower it down and then you just roll it off the top, and the guy drags it off into the corner, and then after a couple of days of drying, they're just going to burn it. That's the process.
They are already on the soil. I planted this, that is pepper, see?
Hold on, what do they smell like? Smell these?
It's mato, it's a weed.
Oh, okay. It looks like mint.
But it comes by itself. I hate that because when I plant, coentro, cilantro, it comes together and you don't know who is who. It's like, what?
You know, look, this one that Lillian gave us, we need to plant this, Elci, somewhere. Because it's not growing because it's limited by the pot.
Yeah, it needs to go
right?
down to pick up water by itself.
Yeah, like maybe along the wall somewhere there. We've got sun all day. Yeah. Or somewhere in this area, right? So this is the jambu fruit, really tasty. So look at these are all baby jackfruits. Ciao, ciao, jacas. So now we're going to have controlled jackfruits growing here because, as you can see, We're going to leave the locations that don't cause them to fall on top of the atelier roof, which last year we had to change like 15 to 18 tiles, roof tiles, because they broke when these things fell from the tree onto them. That won't happen again.
So this jackfruit is really old. She has easy 100 years old. It's really old because we bought from the parents of this guy, their grandparents planted all these trees and all these things. So it's really old, more than 100 years. Fica por último essa aí.
Seja bem-vindo!
Look at the size of this jambu, huh? It is delicious. I must
Muito bom,
admit.
juicy. Whoa. Your turn. Muito bom.
Like a sweet and sour taste, for
Yeah.
sure. The chainsaw stopped working. They tried to fix it, but it wouldn't come back on. So the guy said, no problems, I'm just going to use my machete to cut the remaining branches that you want me to cut. So that's what he's doing right now. Such resilience in these people. Fishing village life, simple people, hardworking people. This is our life right here. So the energy that was here before, because it was so, I thought was a bit of a negative energy. Now it's completely different. It's become a positive energy. You can actually see the sky. You can feel the breeze. Right?
Yes.
For sure. Now we've got a couple of trees to take down, which are useless trees, like this tree right there, that long one. It's not a fruit tree. It's no nothing because it's just robbing us from the vento to the atelier. So that tree will come down. A couple of dead branches are going to be removed. Maybe we'll sacrifice one or two of these little coconuts that are just providing shade. So we cannot plant anything here like we've planted in those blue bins over there. It would be nice to be able to plant some of those things here close to the house, like herbs and peppers and that kind of stuff. But in order to do that, we need to have sunlight. What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing? You're looking like an idiot. Honey, Bella. Bella.
Elci.
Love you